Yeah, I got tired of buying Armor All and Meguiar's. Some of those bottles were like $9, $10, $11. Wanted to do some restoration of the faded bumpers, the plastic bumpers on my wife's Jeep. So I heard that you could buy a heat gun. Bought a little $14.99 heat gun on sale at Harbor Freight. Spent about an hour, maybe hour and 15 minutes just kind of going over all the parts that were plastic. And to my surprise and satisfaction, it kind of like melted. Not really bad. It just kind of took the surface and reconditioned it, resurfaced it. So it's like it has a really nice coat of some restoration product on it, but it's not. It's the plastic's been reconditioned, melted sort of. It looks brand new. It's a 2004 Jeep, so I was really impressed with this little cheap gun from Harbor Freight. Held up for the whole job. I'm really impressed with the final product on the way it looks. I don't have that with me because it began to get a little bit dark. But if you want to restore the faded plastic bumpers or trim on your vehicle, then this might be the way to go.